Hi, 大家好. Welcome to Culture Tater Tots, where we explore culture through story time, crafts, and play. I'm Miss Gwen. Are you ready to go? 来吧.
12生肖. What is the Chinese zodiac?
Hi friends, I'm so glad you're here today because today we are going on a Chinese zodiac animal adventure. And in Mandarin, the Chinese zodiac is called 12生肖. Can we say it together? 12生肖. That's it! So what is the Chinese zodiac? The Chinese zodiac is a special way for people to tell time using animals. And we've been using this method for over 2,000 years. So there are 12 animals in the zodiac, one animal for each year. Let's name them all together. We start with the rat, ox, tiger, rabbit, dragon, snake, horse, goat, monkey, rooster, dog, and pig. Let's do that again, but this time, let's try it in Mandarin. 鼠, 牛, 虎, 兔, 龙, 蛇, 马, 羊, 猴, 鸡, 狗, 猪. So each year, you move from one feature animal to the next feature animal all the way until the end when you reach the pig. Do you know what happens when we reach the end? That's right. So we go all the way back to the beginning and we start again with the rat. Do you know why these animals are in this line order? I'll give you a hint. It has something to do with a big race. Let's go to story time.
动物渡河比赛 The Great Race, Chinese zodiac story.
So a long time ago, the Jade Emperor wanted to help people find a way to track the different years. He thought about it and he thought about it, and he came up with a great idea. He said, aha! Why don't we have a great race and invite all the animals to come? The first 12 animals to cross the river will each get a year named after them. And after that, they spread the word to all the different animals, inviting them to be part of this great race. Let's see how the race went. So the morning of the race, all the animals stood at the starting line. Ready, set, go!
The morning of the race, the rat got a very early start. With the help of the ox, he was able to cross the river. And at the last moment, he jumped off and the rat got first. The ox came in second. Next came the tiger. She's bold and fast, and she ran until she crossed the finish line at third. The rabbit easily hopped over the river and got fourth. The dragon and his majestic wings flew and got sixth place. The snake and the horse were neck to neck until the last moment when the snake slithered into sixth place and the horse into seventh. Here comes the little mountain goat, jumping around from ledge to ledge, getting eighth place. Swinging through the trees, here comes the monkey, right into ninth. The chicken pecked its way across the river and secured 10th place. Here comes a dog. He is so loyal that he stayed back to wait for his friend. Who is his friend, you say? Well, here comes Miss Piggy. The dog got 11th place and Miss Piggy got 12th.
And that is one of many stories of why these 12 animals are included in the zodiac.
动物体操 Animal movement break.
So each animal is special in their own way. Let's pretend to be each animal and learn what they are like. The rat is clever and quick. Wiggle your fingers like the whiskers of the rat. Ox is strong and steady. Can you show me your ox horn? The tiger is brave and bold. Let's roar like a tiger. Roar, roar, roar. That's a really good roar. The rabbit is kind and quiet. Let's hop like a bunny rabbit. Boing, 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 boing. The dragon is magical and powerful. Let's spread our wings and fly like a dragon. The snake is smart and calm. Let's slither like a snake. The horse is energetic and free. Can we neigh like a horse? Neigh! 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 The goat is gentle and helpful. Let's climb a mountain like a goat. The monkey is funny and curious. Scratch your head and make some monkey noises. The rooster is confident and loud. Let me hear your best rooster crow. Cock-a-doodle-doo! Cock-a-doodle-doo! The dog is loyal and friendly. Can we bark like the dog? Woof, 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 woof. Woof, woof. And last but not least, the pig is friendly and easygoing. Let's spin around and give a good snort. Ready? Spoo! You did amazing, friends. Which animal was your favorite? Mine is the tiger because I was born in the year of the tiger. Roar! In the Chinese culture, your zodiac sign is part of who you are. And especially during Lunar New Year, we love to tell stories about the zodiac, talk about our signs, and celebrate together.
手工艺时间, it's craft time. Today we're gonna make a zodiac wheel. And here are the supplies that we need. We need a paper plate. And we need this printout. You can find it in the caption of this video. You're going to need a brass fastener like this right here. And of course, we need our handy dandy crayons. Once you've gathered everything, we are ready to go. Let's start with the zodiac wheel. Do you see all the animals in the Chinese zodiac? Now I'm going to decorate and color it, starting with the year of the rat. 我要用黑色来画这只老鼠，棕色来涂我的牛，就像这样子。我们的老虎要用橘色，我喜欢这个粉色的小兔子，龙当然要用绿色咯。我的蛇我也要用绿色，我要帮它加紫色的斑点，还有红色的舌头。再来是我的马，马我要用咖啡色，加一点金毛。我的小羊是比较浅的咖啡色，还有我的猴子，我的小猴子的脸我想要用粉色。再来是公鸡，我帮它的冠涂上了红色。我帮我的小狗用橘色，还有我的粉色可爱的小猪。我再把它多上一点颜色，我画，我画，我画，画，画。And just like that, my wheel is finished. Do you like it? It is so colorful. Ta-da! Take a look at my finished zodiac wheel. We are going to take it and carefully cut it all the way around. 我剪，我剪，我剪剪剪，对，把它剪出来了。I'm going to use my fastener and put it through the middle and attach it to my paper plate. Just like this, make sure you secure it in the back. To make sure I know what year it is, I'm going to add an arrow. 我要画一个箭头在这里。And then I'm just going to decorate around the plate. You can do whatever you like, but I'm going to write Chinese zodiac animals. What are you going to add to your plate? Look at it, it spins, we did it. I love it.
Now that you know all the zodiac animals, you should ask your family what their zodiac signs are. It's a great way to learn about each other and all the different personality traits that we may have. Friends, it was so much fun going on this Chinese zodiac animal adventure with you. We'd heard a story about the big race, we acted out all the different animals, and we made our own zodiac wheel. Now take this zodiac wheel and remember to ask each of your family members which zodiac animal they are. And maybe you guys can act it out together too. Rawr, rawr, rawr. If you had a good time, make sure you give this video a like and hit subscribe for more ways to explore culture through play. I'll see you next time. 再见!